Let's talk about when a kid is from an unstable home and what you can do about it. A lot of our kids right now are coming to us from very unstable environments, whether it be the Friday or the Monday custodial types of things, being raised by grandparents, not knowing what's going to happen tomorrow, very socioeconomic, whatever is going on, it's unstable for them. And they often have a lot of information and they're privy to things that they just don't know what to do about. The only thing you can do, and I really stress the only thing we can do in our classrooms, is to create as stable of an environment as we possibly can. Those routines, those consistencies, those follow through, a place for your stuff. I think that's one that I've learned over the past couple of years, is that every kid needs a place for their stuff. And coming from multiply different environments like our kids do that are unstable, if you have a place in your classroom where every child has their cubby, their coat hook, their little box for their stuff. So if they do bring something in they're not supposed to bring in because it's comforting for them, like a toy or a blanket or something, which we know happens, and we really don't want those things coming into school, they have a place for their things that nobody else can touch. That, believe it or not, can be very grounding for them and let them know that despite the instability they might come in from on the outside, they're walking in to incredible stability that could help regulate them. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.